Hey guys, I am out with just Levi today. I just dropped off all the girls at Grandma's house. First order of business is Starbucks drive-thru, which has a long line right now. But second order of business is running over to Target because I wanted to pick up the Duo Crisp. I have been watching the price on the Duo Crisp. It's been at like $180 since it came out, and I was like, if it drops, I'm going to grab that to do a review. I'd like to do some reviews of it and the like comparing with the Mealthy Crisp lid, but I didn't want to pay $180, so I was waiting, and I just saw that the price dropped at Target down to $129.95, I think. And then Target sent me a little coupon in the mail with a flyer that had $5 off a purchase of $25 or more, and there was a whole list of exclusions on the back, and I was sure Instant Pot was going to be one of them, but I read through the whole thing, and it looks like I should be able to use the $5 off. So $5 is $5, so hopefully I'll be able to get it for $125-ish. It's my turn. Can I get a tall Americano with steamed heavy cream? So also in this video, I wanted to chat a little bit about my budgeting for my YouTube channel. I get questions about, why in the world do I have so many Instant Pots and air fryers and things like that. And I do get a few things sent to me for free, but the majority of the things that I use in my kitchen and that I review for you guys are ones that I've bought myself. Instant Pot has never sent me anything for free. They don't even acknowledge that I exist, which is totally fine. So I get people wondering how I can possibly afford to spend money on all of these different Instant Pots and accessories for the kitchen. And so I did want to share my YouTube budgeting strategy and kind of how all that gets paid for. And I will do that at the end. I want to go into Target first and find that Duo Crisp. So stick around if you want to hear how I am able to afford so many Instant Pots. We haven't even started shopping yet, and I've already exhausted this poor boy. Sweet boy. Oh, there you are. Why do you have boogers on your forehead? All right, you want to hold my hand? You want to hold my hand? Thank you. I think it's amazing how just a couple of years ago you couldn't even get an Instant Pot in a Target. It used to be only Amazon pretty much. Now there are Instant Pots everywhere. Right? Right? And now it seems like Target has their own Instant Pot aisle. Why are you being so cute? There they are down there, but that's busy. There's too many people buying Instant Pots right now. They're too popular. There's the Duo Nili. Okay, let's see if we can find it. There it is. There's the model. There's the sale price. Let's see, how long is it on sale? Oh, till 12/7, so that's just in a couple of days. All right. Are we doing this? Ooh, this is a big Instant Pot, man. You could fit in that box. You want to have that box to play with? You want to get in? Yeah, that would be fun. Does that look like a good one? Does that look like a good one for you? Can you smile? Thank you. That's a great thumbnail right there. Look at that. So many different options, Levi. So many different ones. I'm surprised they don't have the Instant Pot brand accessories over here. Anything else we need, Levi? We already got your diapers. And, we need to get some gloves for your sister for washing dishes. Dishwashing gloves. What do you see up there? Alright, this is what she needs. Alright, we got everything we needed. Now it's time to check out here. Levi saw the bananas by the checkout, and he just had to have one. He's not used to going shopping without getting free bananas everywhere he goes. This one I had to pay for, though. And the beast is home. Are you so glad we're home, Poe? Are you so glad we're home? Now that we're home and Levi is down for his much needed nap, I wanted to chat a little bit about my YouTube budget and kind of how I think through what money I spend and all that. Google and YouTube have some policies on how much creators are allowed to share exact amounts that they make. So I'm not going to share exact numbers, but basically the money I make through YouTube and through Amazon affiliate links, that's my two main sources of income that I get from my channel. There's a few other little revenue streams like affiliate things, but I get very little from those. The main ones are YouTube and Amazon. So every month I look at how much I made the previous month from both YouTube and Amazon as a total, and then we always have to put away like a third of that for tax purposes, and then after that I take 10% of whatever I made the previous month and I set that aside, and that is what I use to put stuff back into my channel, just stuff that'll add value to my channel, like buying a new model of Instant Pot or air fryer, or things like cameras or lighting equipment. I just recently picked up some lighting equipment that I've been playing with, and I'm hoping to pick up some kind of new microphone here at some point. I just need to do a little more research to decide what exactly I want. Last year I was able to buy a new MacBook Pro for video editing, and then I also have like a reoccurring monthly subscription for music because that doesn't come free. So basically the 10% that I'm able to put back into my YouTube channel comes out to around $200 to $300 a month. My income from my channel varies drastically depending on what time of year it is. This time of year during the holidays, especially after Black Friday, around Black Friday and Thanksgiving, I get a really big boost in my views and I make a lot more money. Also, advertisers pay more, so the amount I make on the ads that are run on my videos, I get paid more for that. And then around like February, March, April, that's like the really, really slow time, and I get a lot less video views, a lot less activity. And then once Prime Day comes around again and everyone's ordering Instant Pots again, I get another big boost. And so that's kind of how my year goes. So depending on what time of year it is, I may get $200 to $300 to add back in to my channel. So after the 1/3 of my income that we set aside for taxes, and then the 10% that I set aside for channel purposes, the rest of the money that I make on YouTube and on Amazon goes just into our family budget. So if I did not have this YouTube channel, I absolutely would not buy as many Instant Pots or air fryers as I do. I get some comments sometimes from people who just assume that I like to hoard Instant Pots and stuff, as if I'm just a regular person buying kitchen equipment, which I think that's really great because people see me as relatable and just a down-to-earth, normal human being. But the truth of it is I do make money through my YouTube channel. I make money by reviewing these different items and cooking things in the new Instant Pots and air fryers that come out. And so it makes financial sense for me to invest some money into those products. Far and away, the most popular videos on my channel are the ones where I am cooking something in a new model of Instant Pot, or reviewing a new model of Instant Pot, and especially comparing different models of different types of equipment. I do share other content besides those kinds of things, like family stuff and grocery hauls and planning videos a while back, but it seems very clear from looking at my views and the interaction I get is that by far most of you guys, most of my audience is interested in these appliances and the different uses for them and the comparisons of them and all that goes along with that. So while I do try to post things that I want to post, like family stuff and things like that, and the channel it's my channel and I can post what I want basically, but at the same time I do want to offer what my audience wants as well. So I do try to pay attention to that and keep up on the newest and best models of these different appliances so that I can share those with you guys. So I hope you can feel confident that I'm not bankrupting our family by buying Instant Pot after Instant Pot or air fryer after air fryer. It is all paid for, more than paid for, by the amount that I make on YouTube. And by investing in these appliances, I'm able to add value to my channel and hopefully to you guys. I also have people wondering if I just have my house packed full of different kitchen appliances. And while I do have a lot of kitchen appliances in my house, I also give a lot away. So I just recently got the Duo Evo Plus. Terrible name for an Instant Pot. Does not roll off the tongue. I keep wanting to call it the Duo Nova Plus for whatever reason. Anyways, Instant Pot really needs to work on their names. But the Duo Evo Plus 8-quart, and because I got that one, I went ahead and got rid of my old 8-quart Duo. Also, those of you that have been watching me a little while know that I've been working on a cookbook, which will come out next year. And that one, spoiler alert, is completely dedicated to the 3-quart mini Instant Pot. So I had several 3-quart minis over the summer as I was developing recipes and testing recipes and getting that all done. And now that that part of the process is pretty much wrapped up, I have gotten rid of a couple of my mini Instant Pots. At this point, I've lost count on how many Instant Pots and air fryers that I've given away, but it has been quite a few. So I'm not going bankrupt and I'm not hoarding all the Instant Pots. So hopefully any of you guys that were worried about that can have your minds put at ease. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to say, and I think that's it.